Alright everybody, welcome back. This is Korath and we're about to play an amazing game called Amnesia The Dark Descent. As you see, I've created my character. We're going to enter in and we're going to have the shit scared out of us. I have the volume up because I want to hear every little thing. I want to scream like a little pussy and everything. So, yeah. Let's turn it up a little bit. There we go. Here we go. Hope y'all ready. We're going to jump in. I've never played this. I haven't watched any videos on it. I didn't even know it existed until I read a thing that said this is one of the most scariest games created. I want to see if it is. Because if it is, I want to have the nightmares. So yeah, we'll see how bad I get scared. Good thing I used the bathroom before this because they don't want to, you know, shit my pants.
Some things mustn't be forgotten. The shadow hunting me. I must hurry. My name is Daniel. I live in London at Mayfair. What have I done? This is crazy. Don't forget. Don't forget. I must stop him. Focus. My name is
Daniel.
I am Daniel.
Okay, Daniel. I'm Korath. How you doing, buddy? I'm gonna be trying to play you today and survive. So don't fuck up. Oh God, this looks creepy already. Well, this does not look good, folks. Oh damn. Press the J button to access your mementos. Okay. And notes, diaries, mementos. Follow the liquid trail and find its source. So we gotta follow the liquid trail and find its source. Oh ho. Follow the liquid trail and find the force. Okay, Win, you're kind of creepy. Can we turn on the candle? Okay, man. Game's got good background scaredness to it. Okay. We can't light the lights on. Okay. Oh. Is my guy tripping balls? The hell was that about? No. Let's go this way. Left, move the door. Oh, I kind of figured that. All right. So what you do is you grab the door and you pull your mouse back or pull forward to shut it and close it. Whoa, motherfucker! Was that my dude breathing? You better slow your roll, dog. You gonna make me get scared and we ain't even done nothing yet. It's about as bad as Outlast, man. I'm actually afraid to play that one. I'll probably play it for y'all though, but still not gonna like it. Alright, so right click to throw your stuff. Oh, okay, cool. Can we throw the chair? Can we throw the chair? Oh, I'll be damned. Can we break that? Break it. Nope. Okay. Okay, so we can break stuff. It's probably not a good thing to do. Because the person will probably find out where you're at and slaughter you. So, yeah. Probably... The fuck is that? Dude, my guy's tripping balls. What is that? Is that a statue? I think that's a statue. If that statue comes to life, I'm fucking running. Oh my god, I ripped his fucking head off. I'm literally scared, people. This is the background noise in your ear, and the fact that your guy every now and then gasps. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck? I was just like, what the hell? I'm not even into the game yet, and this is already crazy. This is awesome. Can I jack the picture? Damn, I hate when it sounds like it's right behind me and it's not there. It's not right. Go ahead and open this. Can we jump in? Let me fall in and hide. I can't fall in and hide. Damn. Nope, ain't nothing in there. Anything down here? I see a picture. I'm afraid to turn around. Okay, so we got... Okay. How do you save in this game? So you can save and exit. But how do you save in the game itself? Okay, so we grab the shirt, nothing, nothing. Can we turn on this light? Alright, we turn on that light. What does that do? That didn't do shit. Please don't close behind me, door. Okay! So when it gets dark real quick, you better turn on the light or you'll lose your sanity. And then you start, like, going crazy. Okay. So, there's Jesus on the cross. Person with sheep. And... something else. Can't tell what that picture was. That picture was kind of blurry. Alright, we're going to head back out. And now we're going to head down to the liquid. When? You can go to hell. Oh, I thought I saw something. Alright, now we're going to our archive. He fell into the kitchen floor. Tears were beginning to well in his eyes as he received the first kick in his stomach. Hazel remains hidden in fear she's too would be punished. Ah. So a little freaky story part right there. We'll probably find out what that is. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. It's a good start. These kind of places are always creepy, even in real life. If you go to these places... Okay. 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 So there was nothing down here. Okay. So there's nothing really down here. Now we're going back out into the darkness. What the hell is that? Is that a pillar? Oh shit. Okay, pick up the book. I got the book. I got the book of Nebuchadnezzar. Fucking throw it at your face. Press F. Okay. Now we have a light. We have a torch. Oh. Well, we have a lantern, I should say. I bet you it runs off the fuel we got, so... we'll have to use our fuel wisely. Have to keep a lookout too. If there's any more, we'll grab it. Do we open it this way? Yep. Any... okay, calm your shit down. Calm your... I think I don't see you over there, buddy. Can we put something inside there? Alright, we're gonna grab this. And we're gonna grab one of these books. Let's grab a book. If we can grab a book. You're not gonna let me pick up anything, are you? Finally. Hello? Door is shut. What's it say?
19th of August, 1839. I wish I could ask how much you remember. I don't know if there will be anything left after I consume this drink. Don't be afraid, Daniel. I can't tell you why, but know this. I choose to forget. Try to find comfort and strength in that fact. There is a purpose. You are my final effort to put things right. God willing, the name Alexander of Brandenburg still invokes bitter anger in you. If not, this will sound horrible. Go to the inner sanctum, find Alexander, and kill him. His body is old and weak, and yours, young and strong. He will be no match for you. One last thing. A shadow is following you. It's a living nightmare, breaking down reality. I have tried everything, and there is no way to fight back. You need to escape it as long as you can. Redeem us both, Daniel. Descend into the darkness where Alexander waits and murder him. Your former self, Daniel.
What? Okay. So I just told myself to go kill a guy named Alexander. So it left myself a message telling me exactly what to do. Is there like some secret? So you can hide. Okay. Okay, so what then? Notes. Daniel's note to himself. He told me to pretty much I have to told myself I need to kill myself. Or kill this dude named Alexander. And now it's not telling me where I'm supposed to go, so I'm gonna go back this way. Okay. I'm missing something that's in this room. Is there a secret? Dude, it literally sounds like somebody's walking up behind me. It's creepy as hell. So there's nothing left in here. So what then? Do we go back in that room that's flooded? Uh-huh. Okay, let me look. Notes. I think the shadows following you. It's blah 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 blah. Go in the inner sanctum, follow him, his body. Blah, blah, okay. But it's not giving me anything saying where to go. So do I go back then? No, don't go back. Huh. Is there anything in here that might tell me anything? Open up. Okay. What the fuck was that? I swear, dude, it sounds like you're right behind me every time. Alright. I don't want no problems. So I wrote a book. I wrote me a note. Damn, it doesn't really tell you what to do after that. It just like, unless I'm not seeing something here, I'm blind. Am I blind? Is there something I'm missing? Is there a hole in the ground? Am I missing something? Do I not see it? Dude, I am tucking around every fucking where. You know what? It's not in here. Whatever it is I'm supposed to do, it's out there. Okay, so I saw some darkness. Is there a foot? Oh, for a second I look at the body. Okay, we come over here, there's nothing. There's lights coming in. Nothing over here. That light's on. Nothing here. Nothing here. Can I jump on this? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, I'll light up the halls. But I still don't see the passage. I'm in the room. There's nothing. No secret books to grab. No. And this is the room I've come into where it's just too dark to see shit. Light it up. There's something behind any of these bookshelves. No. Okay. Fuck it. Ah, I couldn't even tell. You lucky little shit, you hired him. And I knew there was going to be something. Okay. Alright, here we go. The door slammed shut behind him, and he knew he would never again see the old tailor at the Berkeley Square. Another lone soul in London. Seemed appropriate, didn't it? Alright. Okay. Whoa,
Is it inside the castle?
In a manner of speaking. Come, bring the lamp. You've been to the refinery, have you not?
I don't believe I have. Is it connected to the... what did you call it?
The inner sanctum. My most precious chamber, Daniel. And it lies lies well beyond the refinery. In fact, it lies beneath the very stone of Brandenburg.
Alright. So, down there is probably where we're supposed to go. I don't want to go down there yet. I want to go over here. I want to open these treasure chests. Get all the goodies. Ugh. Fucking, that's one of the biggest cockroaches I've ever seen. Now, I've seen big cockroaches. That was... Jesus. Squash it. Ah, sneaky little bitches. I see you. You trying to hide my oil. Thinking I wouldn't see your shit. Well, you got another thing coming. No, I'm joking. No, don't fuck with the door. Okay. Okay, don't go down the creepy hallway. The creepy dungeon thing looks like it's supposed to be something, and I don't want to go down there and get scared. Hello? Fuck this, I'm going down. I'll get scared. Oh, that's laboratory. Isn't that where we're supposed to go? We don't want to go there. No, we're supposed to go to the inner sanctum. Wine cellar. It's locked. Can't get in without a key. Okay. Laboratory it is then. A fragrant taste of rose lingering in his mouth. Turkish delight. He thought just like the ones at the consulate in Constantinople. Constantinople. First thing first, we're getting that light on. That light on. Okay. Okay, there was nothing there.
The flicker, the bluish light.
There should be more coop racks. Let me see. And one part aquaforce.
Okay. Was that like some mad scientist gone crazy with myself? A lack of chimney to properly vent the fumes from my most recent experiment has taken its toll on many of my less stable ingredients in storage. Some seem unaffected, but many are stained by the fumes that will be difficult to salvage. I shall do what I can and move them to the wine cellar. Okay. So we must take them to the wine cellar. That dude sad. The dude said take them to the wine cellar. We haven't run into anything creepy yet. Then I say that. This is my third attempt to produce artificial Vita. The former component lacked the potency I needed, but I sense I'm close. Calamine and Arpiment are given, and the culprit binds them well. This time I will attempt Aqua Regia instead of Aqua Fortis, and hope it will produce a more even solution. The experiment was unsuccessful. The solution is highly acid and proves impractical to put to any use except as a detergent. Organic tissue reacts especially violent to these solutions and should be handled with the greatest care. I might be able to use the recipe, but I'm losing hope, and I will find an alchemic solution to my predicament. Alright. Interesting. Okay, now can we open these? Yes. Close. Close. One day I will return. If it wasn't a thought of you, my love, I wouldn't be able to go on. When I find myself doing terrible things, I take comfort in you. As long as I'm able to think of you, as long for living together, I know I'm better than the others. I weep for them. They lust for power without restraint, where I only crave fair judgment and a safe return. Okay. So we can't take that. Come on. Okay. Fucking chair, you're my way. Okay, we can't retake that. Okay. Just keeps playing that creepy damn shit over again. Ah, you try to hide it from me. You trying to hide it will not work. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. This place is tripping balls. The other children cheer him on. His name, voice, and steadily rising pace urges him to do it, and it really is doing this, as the young boy thought, and struck him victim of something or the other. Didn't get to read that. Where the fuck is that chick? Just talked behind me. Hello? Nope. Dude, don't even fuck around like this, son. Don't. Just don't. Running behind in my ear. Not cool, man. We're going to the archive room. Traveling in Dover meant going through Canterbury. He made sure to pay a visit to avoid the sense of guilt connected with neglect of his family. Of the family. Alright. So apparently this guy's had a lot of problems, it sounds. A lot of messed up in the head. Maybe Daniel's crazy. Okay, why does it sound like something's moving? Nothing in this. Nothing in this. And nothing in that. We're good.
16th of May, 1839. The unflinching African sun has continued to plague our expedition. making it impossible to dig until dusk. How Professor Herbert managed to find the location in these vast plains of nothingness remains a mystery to me. When I asked him about the tomb again, he told me about the legend of Tin Hanan, the mother of us all. An interesting story in its own right, but I can't help feeling there's more. Later that evening, we uncovered a passage beneath the dunes leading to a sand-covered stone structure. The professor was confident it was the tomb we sought and ordered the others to clear the way late into the dark, cold night. Tomorrow, I shall lead the men into the ancient structure, hoping to reach the burial chamber. No matter what the professor is keeping from me, the dig should yield something interesting to take back to London and the British Museum.
Okay. Alright. So far, ain't nothing jumped out and scared me, just noises, creepiness. I have a funny feeling I'm shutting this door. Thank you. Shut, please. Thank you. You can take the fucking chair with you. Alright, so there ain't nothing there. My guy needs a light because he's tripping balls. I hereby offer my full attention and service to Alexander, Baron of Berzenberg. The contract will reign for a total of 3 years, when my freedom shall return to me. In addition, Alexander, Baron of Berzenberg is recommended my service as the Cruising Royal Court and within the sanctum of the Order of the Black Eagle. May no man break this seal. Wilhelm, House of Garrick. Alright. Cool. I closed that door. No. I closed that damn door. Don't even fuck with me, game. Somebody out here? I closed this door. You can fucking take the chair. Stop with the noise. Okay, door is shut. Door is shut. Alright, nothing's in this one. Nothing's in this one. Clothing in this one. Nothing. Oh, hey, there's something there. Nothing. And books.
17th of May, 1839. My hands tremble as I write. I feel a need to document my tribulation, for I fear that my memory will fail me if I linger. Today, I took some men and ventured into the dark, ancient passage we uncovered. Our torches burned faintly in the murky air as we slowly made our way underground. The men were superstitious and fearful. They argued loudly, and I felt their strange language getting to me. I mustered my strength and yelled at them to continue down the slopes and broken steps. The crudely carved passage confused me. It looked much older than the 4th century structure we had expected. The twisting path emerged into a great antechamber. The walls were lined with statues unlike any I'd ever seen. Despite their unearthly quality, I felt a strange familiarity toward them, which haunts me still. At the far end of the chamber, a great slab of stone sealed off whatever lay ahead. I gave the order to raise it, and as I pushed through the narrow space, the heavy stone suddenly dropped, sealing me inside. I was trapped.
Game's got great story so far, and it is creepy, so yeah, with that, guys, we're gonna stop right here. We got a lot of stuff. I will continue playing this next time for you guys. Maybe next time we'll... What the f... God, somebody was in the chair. Next time we'll continue this... Next time we'll continue... You freaking chair! Okay, guys, next time we will continue the story and hopefully see what this monster is that's going to scare us and give us a heart attack. So yeah, with that said, everybody, with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe down below, and also make sure you leave your comments, and I will catch you guys next time. This is Koroth. I'm out. Y'all have a blast and try to get some sleep tonight. Bye, everybody.